this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the home screen layout on your Samsung phone. So you can do this two different ways. You can just hold down on the home screen like this, and then go to settings right here. This is probably the quickest way to do it. And there's an option for lock home screen layout right here. Just make sure this is on checkmarked, and then you should be able to move your apps around. Otherwise, you can go to the top and go to settings right here. Scroll on down, and there should be an option for home screen. And we can go down. I believe it's just the same page here. So this is what you're looking for. Lock home screen layout. Now, if you don't see it right there, you can just go to the top, and you can just type something in like lock home screen, lock screen, home. Let's try this. So it says lock home screen layout. So we can uncheck mark it right there. So if you have a different Android phone, that's how you can search for that if you don't have a Samsung. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.